turbo the leaves. This is AO Tree. Weighs in at 4.5 pounds, a battery-operated leaf blower. Let's open this bad boy up, show you what you get inside the box. Everything is nicely packed. You have the chute that blows the leaves. They are adjustable by snap-ins as you simply push and lock in by pushing up and locking on. We have two options to put on the round edge to blow the leaves in general, locks into place, takes off, and we have a wide blower that simply pushes and locks on like so. We have a carrying strap with the logo name, shoulder strap that goes on like so, and attaches your leaf blower. A pair of safety goggles that protects you from any debris blowing in your face over glasses. Two 4+ amp hour batteries. They show you the amount to charge on the unit that can be charged if you have an optional DC cable. The charger base that plugs into AC. Legs that you simply take the battery, turn it upside down, slide into the base, and allow it to charge for a minimum of a few hours. On the front will be an indicator of green and red. Red when charging, green when finished. The brushless leaf blower. You have your attachment area that you're going to snap on. Place your leaf blower on like so. Add your battery in, matching up the back. Pressing the trigger. And pulling it fully for faster speeds. Notice the amount of speed. That is pretty strong. The area that's going to take the air, bring it in and throw it out. On the side over here, this is where you're going to put your strap. On the top is a turbo mode. Pressing the turbo. There are about 3 different ways of using this unit. Pulling the trigger, sliding the switch, and adjusting the turbo. Let's go demonstrate outside blowing some leaves. 10 minutes of runtime per single cell, up to 20 minutes for turbo only. On the lowest speed, you get up to 300 minutes of runtime. So let's go use the unit and show you what it's all about. Clean up the garden like so. Clean the leaves off of the car. Very easy. Inside here, you can see how the unit works and the motor spins. And we have very powerful over here. Turbo hits the thing. And we simply just clean up like so. Now this is turbo mode by hitting the turbo button, holding the trigger and pressing on turbo. You pull the trigger, turbo. Storing away is as easy as taking off the clips, putting the unit anywhere you need to put it. And if you just need to blow, you can do it this particular way. Removing the battery is just pressing on the green to see the amount of charge you have left. To take the battery out, push in the button, pull the battery, put it on the charger, and allow it to charge by turning upside down, sliding into the case. When the red light goes out and turns green, we're 100% charged. To use the turbo 500 CFM, pull the trigger, press on turbo, and it'll blow. The switch over here is a variable speed that will keep on, so you don't have to hold the trigger. And when you finish, you simply put the trigger back to off, and off you go. So there are 2 to 3 ways of using the unit. It again has the hook on the side that's over here that you go hook up on the wall and hang. This is the AO tree leaf blower. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for, very easy to assemble. Change out the part to a round to get a spot blow, and off you go like so. Put in a fresh set of batteries, and let's go clean up the yard.